Meaning of dissociation.
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 Dissociation. Dissociation is a mental process where one's thoughts, feelings, sensations, or sense of identity become disconnected from each other. This can result in a person feeling disconnected from their surroundings or even from reality itself. Symptoms of dissociation include feeling detached from one's own body or emotions, experiencing distorted perceptions of time and space, and feeling like one is watching oneself from outside of their own body. Dissociation can be a normal response to trauma, but can also be a symptom of certain psychological disorders, such as dissociative identity disorder or post-traumatic stress disorder.